In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable timeline on your Jira board. If you want a better high-level view of your work and a simple way to track progress over time, turning on the timeline feature in Jira can be really helpful. It gives you a visual layout of your issues and helps make planning much easier, especially when you're managing multiple tasks on a board. To get started, open Jira and go to the project where you want to enable the timeline. Once you're inside the correct project, open the Jira board you want to work with. Make sure you're on the right board before changing any settings, since these options apply to the board you're currently viewing. Next, look to the top right corner of your board and click the More Actions icon, shown as 3 dots. This menu gives you access to additional board options and configuration settings. From the drop-down menu, select Board Settings. This will open the settings area where you can control features related to that specific board. In the Settings menu, look over to the left sidebar and click on the Timeline tab. Once you're there, you should see the option to enable timeline. Turn that toggle on. This activates the timeline feature for your board, allowing Jira to make that planning view available. Now, in some cases, even after enabling timeline, you might not immediately see it in the board navigation. If that happens, don't worry. Go to the navigation area and click the plus icon to add something new to the navigation. From the available options, select Timeline, and then click Add to Navigation. This places the timeline view directly in your board's navigation so you can access it more easily whenever you need it. After that, you should be able to open Timeline from your board and start using it to review schedules, organize work, and get a clearer visual sense of how your tasks are spread out. If you're working with planning or delivery dates, this view can make your board much more practical and easier to manage. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.